Eleazar Harash. Contemplation of the Summoning Shining. Here is the poem of the shining. Be pure as water, be joyful as the sun, be sad as the moon. Be deep as the ocean, be life-loving as the little stream. Be quiet as the little wellspring. Be absorbed as the soul. Be disappearing as the way when it is found. Be great as the love of what is unknown. Be incessant as the eternal secret. Be illuminated as the sage. Be crystal-like as the eyes of the child. Be away in your lack of ways. Be as the inspiration which springs out from your own self. Be all of this, so that the shining of Taora may engulf you.